ay binobomba na ngayon ang Libya. Kasalukuyang binobomba, pinauulan na ng daang-daang Tomahawk missile ang Libya ngayon, ang coalition forces. And we do not know kung ano ang implication nito na maibubungan nito sa atin, no? Sa buong mundo. Nandyan din na nakaraang linggo lamang ay napakasaklap na nangyari sa Japan. Sila ay hindi lamang nilindol, kundi they were visited and swept by tsunami. Napauwi nga ako galing Baguio after the graduation, ay talagang binahan ng text yung aking cellphone. At maging ako ay nagulumihanan din bahagya dahil ang aking ina ay nandoon din naman sa bansang iyon. And they are all giving their sympathy and concern. Ayan, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga kapatid na patuloy na nananalangin. Ano po? At talagang the time is short. Maaari na po nating sabihin that this is the time, the end time, the day is beginning. Of course, this morning I will not preach on theological emphasis or eschatological doctrine that we stand on the last days. But, of course, I'm not in my class, but I will briefly give things that we must consider to prepare bago po talaga dumating yung end times. And we do not know when it will surely come. So mahalaga po na malaman po natin ito. And Jesus himself narrated the story. So it is a very, very good thing to reflect, no? And thing to consider, because Jesus himself narrated this parable. Our text can be found on Matthew chapter 25 verses 1 to 13. Let us read Matthew chapter 25 verses 1 to 13. And I am reading from the NIV version. Matthew chapter 25 verses 1 to 13. At that time, the kingdom of heaven will be like 10 virgins who took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom.